Good afternoon, children. I think simply you are wasting your time these days, right? Due to COVID-19. For that purpose, we are taking a video classes for all first standard to fourth standard. Understood? And whatever we are taking the video, just to see in your WhatsApp and take down the notes. Understood? And the homework what we are sending, we'll send through the PDF. Tell to your parents to take printout, or otherwise take one separate notebook and write homework separate and classwork separate. That day one day we will announce that you have to submit your classwork and homework. We'll check and we'll give you back. Understood? Just first, this is a for class first standard students, subject EVS. Subject EVS. Subject EVS. What is the first? Page number 160. Page number 160. 160. Page number 160. About me. About me. Semester 1 book. Bittle reader, semester first. Okay. In this, what is there? First, I am a girl or boy. You should write here. Girl or boy. If you are girl, you write girl. If you are boy, you write boy. My name is. This one you have to write in classwork. My name is. What is your name? You write. Okay. I am. Next you write. I am dash years old. How many years having? Just you ask your parents and write here. Which class you are studying? I am in class first. I am in class first. I am in class first. The name of my school. School is English medium school. English medium school. Next, I like to eat. What do you want to like to eat? To eat idli, dosa, chapati, roti, whatever you want, you write here. Okay, next, I like to play. What do you want to play? Outdoor or indoor games you may write. Kho-kho, volleyball or football or badminton, cricket or frog jumping, running, skipping, whatever you want. Which game you are liking most, just you write it, okay? My favorite color is, my favorite color is. Which color you like most, you write. I am writing pink color. Okay. Favorite color is pink. These all you have to write in classwork, okay? You are a boy or girl, you have to write here. I am a girl or boy, you should write here. My name is. Your name you write. I am dash years old. How many years old you have to write? I am in class first. The name of my school is English medium school. Okay. I like to eat. What you want to like to eat? Just to write it. I like to play. Which game you are liking most? You write it. My favorite color is. Which color you like most? Write it. Okay. This you have to write in classwork. Write neatly. Okay. And next we'll go for first chapter. We'll go to first chapter. My body. My body. My body. First chapter, my body. First chapter, my body. See, page number 161. Page number 161, my body. Understood? We'll see my body. Our body has different parts. Each part of our body performs a different function. We do many things with different parts of the body. We have two hands. We use our hands to hold things, eat and write. We have two legs. We use our legs to stand, walk, climb, run, jump, hop and dance. Okay, this is about our body, right? What do you mean by my body? My body means I am standing here. You are seeing my video, right? This is our body. Okay, this is our body. Our body is having different parts. Is it? Our body is having different parts. Hand, fingers, forehead, ears, nose, mouth, teeth. Okay, ears, cheeks, chin, chest, legs. Okay, arm, elbow, eyes, eyelashes, eyebrow, nose. So many different parts are there in our body. Okay, first part, we are taking hands. Hands, why we are using our hands? Hands are using to writing, holding the things like this. See, holding the things like this. We are using our hand, right? Yes. And for eating. And for eating. And if you are doing mistake, we are using our hands to slap. Right? Your teachers are slapping when you are not writing, right? Yes, your parents is also ready to slap you if you are doing naughty. Is it? And it is used to write also. Okay, the hands, this is the uses of hands. And legs. Why the legs are using? Legs are using to walk here and there. To walk here and there. Legs are using to run. Legs are using for jumping. Is it? Legs are using to sit. Is it? Legs are using to ride a bicycle. You are riding a bicycle now? Small bicycle? Yes. And legs are using to drive the car. Your parents are driving the car or scooty or bike. Is it? So many different things we are doing by the parts of our body. Is it? Next, for page number 162. Page number 162. 162. 162. Our neck helps us to move our head from side to side and turn it around. Next, our sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organ. Our eyes help us to see. Our ear help us to hear. We hear different sound with our ears. Our nose help us to smell. We can smell flowers, soap, food and many more things. We also breathe through our nose. Our tongue help us to taste. Our tongue help us to know whether a thing is sweet or sour or bitter or salty. Our skin help us to feel different things. It can feel whether they are hot or cold, smooth or rough. Our sense organ help us to know the world around us. Finally, our sense organ help us to know the world around us. Throughout the world we come to know what it is. Only by the sense organs we can feel it. Understood? This is a completion of the first chapter. This is a completion of the first chapter. Okay. I left. Why we are using our neck? Why we are using our neck? To turn here and there. You are seeing this side, we are turning this side. If we are seeing here, we are turning this side. If we are seeing front, we are seeing front means it is by the use of the neck. It is used to bend also. Right? It is used to bend also. And next, the topic is our sense organ. Our sense organs. Our sense organs. Sense organs means what? There are 5 sense organs. 5 sense. 5 sense organ. 5 what? See, nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and skin. Tongue and skin. Nose, eyes, ear, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. Which are they? Nose, eyes, ears, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. First, we come to know about nose. Nose. Why the nose is there? Huh? Nose is used to smell. Bad smell, good smell, or your mummy is preparing a dish for you, Maggie. You are taking a breath, no? The nose is help for breathing also, right? You are taking a help of the nose while your mummy is preparing a Maggie means you are taking a long breath. Mummy is preparing a Maggie for me. How you come to know that is Maggie? Because that Maggie while mummy is preparing, that masala smell will go to your nose and you come to know that the mummy is preparing a Maggie for you, right? Yes. If your mummy is preparing a jamun, how you come to know that mummy is preparing a jamun? That sweet will mummy prepare, no? Sugary syrup. That mummy will prepare, that smell will come to your nose that you are smelling. Mummy is preparing a jamun for me. Is it? That is a help of a nose. The nose will help us to breathe. And the nose is help us to find out the bad smell or a good smell. Okay. Next sense organ is eyes. Next sense organ is eyes. How many eyes you are having? One, No, your eyes are 2 eyes. You are having 2 eyes. Eyes, why? What is the use of the eyes? To see what you are writing. I am writing my name. My name is Dash. My name is Preeti. My name is Spurti. My name is Niharika. That you are writing the spellings. While you are writing A, B, C, D, how you are writing? By closing your eyes you are writing? No. If it is F means you are saying it is a F. How you are saying it is a F? By seeing this is a F. If it is N, how you are saying it is N? I am keeping my finger here. How I should say this is what it is? Yes, by seeing only I come to know this is yes. Here it is E. Then by seeing only I can read N-O-S-E, nose. Understood? By seeing only we can walk from here and there. By seeing only you are coming to school from here and there. By seeing only you are ready to write. By seeing only you are eating. Right? Then your mummy is preparing a roti. You are saying chapati. No. By seeing only you are saying that is roti. By seeing only you are saying that is Maggie. Is it? By seeing only you are finding everything. What is there? What is here? What are the things around us? Where is our school? Is it? Without eyes we can't know the things where it is. Next sense organ is ears. Ears. How many ears you are having? 2 ears here and there, right? One is here, one is left and one is right. Ears. What is the use of ears? Ears is used to hear. Ear is used to hear. Hear means I am shouting here, means I am doing a lesson here. Then what you are doing here? Simply you are saying what Miss is shouting there. No. You are hearing what I am saying here. Is it? What I am taking the class here. My body. What I am teaching here. That you are hearing there. By seeing your mobile, you are keeping the volume. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? In your mobile volume is there, right? That volume you are hearing what I am teaching here. If your mummy calling, hey Puta, come here. then you are hearing the sound of your mummy and then you are going near your mummy. Your sister or brother, hey come here, Spurti, what you are doing there? Your brother scolds means, ha brother, I am not doing anything here. Simply I am sitting here. You are answering back. Why you are answering back to your brother? Because your brother, what your brother told to you, that sound you are hearing there. For that day you are replying to your brother. If your teacher in your school, hey Spurti, stand up. Then why you stand up? Because what your teacher says, that you are listening, you are hearing that. For that sake only you are standing there, right? If your friend is saying, hey come here, we are writing here, come and join here, we will write together, right? Then at a time what you are doing? Your friend is calling means you are coming here and all you are sitting together, you are writing, right? Means what he is saying, you are listening there. That is the use of the ear. Harsh sound. When the drum, drum will make a sound, no? That will become, that is hearing a more sound to our ear. Is it? We are closing our ears like this. Is it? That is a hard sound. We come to know which is a hard and a soft sound. If you are talking slowly, that person is talking slowly. We can identify, right? By the help of the ears. Understood? Next sense organ is tongue. Tongue. How many tongues you are having? Two? No, only one tongue. That is a tongue. The uses of tongue is to taste. To taste. Then jamun prepared, right? Your mummy preparing a jamun. While you are eating, it is sweet or sour or bitter or salty. You don't know. When you are eating the jamun, then you come to know it is a sweet, right? Jamun is sweet. Why you are saying sweet? While we are eating, that we come to know that is a sweet. If you are eating vegetable curry, what it is? It is too spicy. Spicy means you are doing like this. Mummy, it is too spicy. Give me a sugar. It is a sweet. Spicy. Why you are telling that it is a spicy? Because you are, by the use of the tongue only, you are saying that is spicy, that is salty, this is sweet, this is sour, that is bitter. You are finding a different taste of the food items whatever we are eating, right? This is the use of the tongue. At last, skin. Last sense organ is skin. Skin means we feel the different things. If somebody is pinching, why you are doing because you can feel it. He is pinching me. You can feel it. Is it? If somebody is beating, why you beat me? We'll ask, no? Because we can feel it. That is, he is beating me. Is it? If somebody do like this, yeah, how cute, yeah, so bubbly, bubbly, yeah. Why? You can feel it, somebody is loving us. Is it? You can feel it, right? If you are hitting your brother like this, he used to cry, why he will cry? He come to know, he can feel it, my sister bet me. Is it? The baby comes to know, he can feel, the baby can feel. That is a feeling. The skin can feel the different things around the world. Totally 5 sense organ: nose, eyes, ear, tongue, skin. These 5 sense organ throughout the world, it is helpful for us. Understood? Thank you.